Look at the rain. It is pouring down rainy here on Thursday. Look at the rain. I love the sound of rain. How are you guys doing today? I pray that you all have a great day. Do not let the enemy steal your joy. Keep pressing and keep going. Even though you may come through some hard situations, trials, and mishaps, keep going. Keep pressing. You will make it to the other side. You will make it to the end if you keep pressing. Get the rain. Remember to smile, love, and forgive. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. This is Nikita Rogers. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Love you and God bless.